A new coronavirus data tonight showing nationwide August was the third deadliest month for COVID-19 in the country. The virus killing more than 30,000 people in just 1 month. ABC's Faith Abube is in Washington with the latest in COVID analysis.
6 months since the first reported COVID-19 case in the U.S., and data shows April, May, and August now rank in order as the deadliest months so far. Dr. Anthony Fauci on Good Morning America reiterating that despite the somber records, a vaccine should not be rushed.
You don't want a vaccine to be available widely to the American public unless it's been shown to be safe and effective.
An ABC News analysis showing hospitalizations and deaths are increasing in parts of the country, and confirmed cases of the virus are going up in 10 states. This as schools reopen across the country, some with in-person learning.
The best way to get schools open is to decrease the level and rate of infection in your community.
Despite an infection rate below 1% in New York City, pressures from one of the largest teachers' unions in the country now means the city will delay the start of in-person classes.
To make sure that the health measures are in place, to make sure there is time for the appropriate preparation for our educators.
It's not just grade schools. College campuses in every state have reported clusters of new infections. Among them, Arizona State University. The school reporting more than 800 positive coronavirus cases among its students. Images like this one, an overcrowded pool at University of South Carolina, raising concerns that some young people are not taking the pandemic seriously.
There's some precautions, but it could just be done a little bit better.
And across the nation, fewer Americans were being tested for the coronavirus. The rate of testing dropped about 11% in August compared to the month before, leading to fewer cases of coronavirus overall being reported as well. Faith Abube, ABC News, Washington.